Hello kids, welcome back in our maths class. And in our today's maths class, we are gonna learn about ascending order. Ascending order, and the second one is descending order. Okay, so you all are familiar with these terms, ascending, the first one ascending order and the second one is descending order. Okay, so now let's learn ascending order and descending order in more. Okay, now let's, we are going, as we are doing 3-digit numbers also, so we are going to learn 3-digit ascending and descending order. Okay, so to arrange the orders in ascending order or descending order in an easy way, I'm going to show you 3 tricks. Okay, 3 basic tricks. With the help of those tricks, you can arrange the numbers into ascending order or descending order very easily. Okay, so first of all, let's understand what is an ascending order and what is an descending order. So let's get into the video. Ascending order. A. Ascending. Ascending order means order or arrange. Okay, order or arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, if you are given a group of numbers, for example 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. Okay, these are arranged in smallest to the biggest number. Okay, for example, if you are given a number 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 10 is written here, 8 is written here. Okay, I have given you this number, so you have to arrange it. You will arrange it in a proper way. Either you are going to arrange it in an ascending order or descending order. Look, right now these are just jumbled numbers. Okay, 8 comes before 10. No, 10 comes before 3. No, 3 comes before 5 or 6. No, so these are random and jumbled numbers right now. But if you have arranged them in a sequence, for example 3 which comes before 5, 5 which comes before 6, 6 which comes before 8, or 8 which comes before 10. Now you can say that these numbers are from the smallest to the biggest number. Okay. Now next let's come to descending order. Okay, so in descending order, what do you see? Descending order, D means down. Descending order. Okay, descending order, order or arranging numbers from the biggest to smallest. Okay, now down, we will come the numbers down, means we will arrange them from bigger number to smaller number, means the bigger is going to come first, 10, after that 8, 6, 5 and 3. Same example, if you can take it, there is a jumbled number. Okay, this is a jumbled number. Now if you are going to arrange it from the biggest, here in ascending order you have arranged it from smaller to bigger. Okay, 3 is first, then 10 is the biggest number, that will come in the end. Now that same jumbled number, if you are going to arrange it in descending order, then how you are going to write it down? 10, it's a 2-digit number and these are all 1-digit numbers. Okay, so you can select easily that 10 is a 2-digit number, so you can close your eyes and then you can write down 10. Okay, there's no need to count or do something. You can easily write down, all these are 1-digit numbers, so you are going to write down 10 first. After that, which one is the small 1-digit number? 8. After 10, 8, then 6, then 5, then 3. Okay, 3 is the smallest in all these numbers. So this was ascending and this was descending. These are a set of numbers, jumbled numbers. You have arranged it in a group, in a order. Okay, so from the biggest to small, sorry, from the smallest to the biggest is ascending, and from the biggest to the smallest, that is descending order.